Onomatopoeia is a figure of speech in which words contain the sounds they describe. For example, hiss or bang. Here is an excellent example from The Highwayman by Alfred Noyes. Over the cobbles he clattered and clashed in the dark inn yard. Plot, plot in the frosty silence. Plot, plot in the echoing night. Personification is the attribution of human qualities to something that is not human. For example, Keats compares the Grecian urn to a bride and personifies it by addressing it thus: Thou still unravished bride of quietness, thou foster child of silence and slow time. Here is another example from Shakespeare's As You Like It. Blow, blow, thou winter wind, thou art not so unkind as man's ingratitude. Thy tooth is not so keen because thou art not seen, although thy breath be rude. The wind, which is not human, is given human attributes such as teeth and breath and the characteristic of being rude. Smiley and metaphor. Smileys and metaphors are common figures of speech used by a poet to embellish his work. A smiley is a figure of speech in which two objects are compared by using the words like or as. See, for example, these lines by Byron and Burns, respectively. She walks in beauty like the night of cloudless climes and starry skies. My love is like a red, red rose that's newly sprung in June. In a metaphor, the connective like or as is omitted. For example, in the sentence, she has a heart of stone. The author wishes to state that the two objects being compared, heart, stone, have the same qualities.